Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Recovery Advisor. Have you accidentally deleted an important WhatsApp voice message? Maybe it was a voice note from a friend, an important work-related message, or a recording containing valuable information. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 5 proven ways to recover deleted WhatsApp voice messages on both Android and iPhone. We'll start with the simplest solutions and move on to more advanced recovery methods. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is check whether the voice message is actually deleted. Open the WhatsApp conversation where the voice note was originally sent or received, and scroll through the chat carefully. Sometimes users accidentally archive chats, clear media previews, or mistake a downloaded file for a deleted one. If the voice message is still available, save a copy immediately so you don't lose it again. Next, try asking the sender or recipient for a copy. It may sound obvious, but it's often the fastest solution. If someone sent you the voice message, ask them to resend it. If you were the sender, check whether the recipient still has the voice note in their chat history. In many cases, this can save you time and eliminate the need for any recovery tools. If you're using an Android device, you should also check the WhatsApp Voice Notes folder. Open your File Manager app and navigate to the WhatsApp Voice Notes directory. Inside, you'll find folders organized by date. Even if the voice message is no longer visible inside WhatsApp, the audio file may still exist in the device storage. Carefully browse through the folders, and, if you find the voice note, copy it to another location or upload it to cloud storage for safekeeping. If the voice message has been completely removed from your phone, the next step is to check your WhatsApp backup. For Android users, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, Chats, and then Chat Backup. Check the date of your most recent backup. If it was created before the voice message was deleted, you may be able to restore it. Simply uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, verify your phone number, and choose Restore when prompted. Once the restoration process is complete, check the conversation to see whether the deleted voice message has returned. If you're using an iPhone, go to WhatsApp Settings, then Chats, and Chat Backup. Check whether an iCloud backup exists from before the voice note was deleted. If it does, reinstall WhatsApp, verify your phone number, and select Restore Chat History when prompted. After the restoration finishes, open the conversation and check whether the voice message has been recovered. Before restoring any backup, keep in mind that your current WhatsApp data will be replaced with the data stored in that backup. Any messages received after the backup date may be lost. Also remember that this method will only work if the deleted voice note was included in the backup. If none of the previous methods work, you can try using a dedicated data recovery tool, such as Stellar Data Recovery for Android. Before you begin, stop using your phone as much as possible. Every new photo, video, download, or app installation can overwrite deleted data and reduce your chances of successful recovery. Download and install Stellar Data Recovery for Android on your Windows computer. Select the option to recover WhatsApp data and connect your Android phone using a USB cable and enable USB debugging if prompted. Once the software detects your device, start the scan. The software will search for deleted WhatsApp files, including voice notes and audio attachments that may still be recoverable. When the scan is complete, browse through the results and look for your deleted voice messages. You can preview the files before recovery to make sure you found the correct one. Select the voice note you want to recover and save it to your computer. So those are the 5 best ways to recover deleted WhatsApp voice messages on Android and iPhone. Start with the simple methods first, such as checking the chat, asking the sender to resend the voice note, and looking inside the WhatsApp Voice Notes folder. If those methods don't work, try restoring a backup or using a professional recovery tool. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and turn on notifications for more data recovery tutorials, recovery software guides, and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.